What is up, guys? Welcome back to Beyond the Wake. Today I'm going to be showing you my new install I did to the boat. Down here you'll see we got the Wake Makers 710 universal fit bags. So I went from a 430 pound fat sack bag and I upgraded to these 710 pound bags now. So they fill up the whole locker, front to back, left to right. They really sit in there well. Take a look at the other side. These were a pretty easy install. Just had to get these plugs down here. So there's gonna be one plug there, two plugs in the very front, and then one plug in the back here. So this is gonna be our fill port, and then it's gonna be our drain and vent. My fat sacks had universal fittings, so I just reused those fittings. If you guys do this upgrade to your 2015, 2016, all the way up to 2017 MasterCraft NXT20s, just make sure you get the 5 plugs, 2 fittings that actually allow your universal fittings from your hoses to attach, and then you should be good. Very easy install. It took about 20 minutes to get them in there. Biggest thing was just like opening them up and getting them to align. One thing to note is down here there's a little gully, so I always like to keep that part down inside there, and they seem to fill a little better. Also, I have on order, so this is gonna be my next thing, is the panel savers from Wake Makers. Those are going to be added right along here. So there'll be 3 U-channel aluminum rods there that are just going to make it from not bowing into the engine compartment. 3 on that side and 3 on this side. And that's just to avoid that to bow out into the engine compartment.